I'm Dave O'Brien, I'm the owner of DOBSportscars. We're based here in Ballymount, Dublin. We're Ireland's leading independent Porsche specialist. We repair and maintain all models of Porsche, right from 1965 up to today's latest 2025 models. We carry out all types of work here, from basic servicing right up to full mechanical restorations, engine rebuilds, gearbox rebuilds, basically anything that our clients require to keep their Porsche running as it should. We're members of the Porsche Partner Network, which means that we're using the exact repair procedures required to repair our clients' Porsches when they're in our workshop, and all our diagnostic equipment is also connected back to Germany, so we're getting the latest software updates and the car is being repaired correctly while it's with us. We specialise in a lot of track day preparation and race cars as well. So if a client has a car they like to do track days in Mobil Park or in Kyrgyzstan, or even they want to go to the UK, we can advise them on what's best for what they're doing. We can do track day alignments on cars, provide them with products, brake pads and the different Mobil 1 products that they need to ensure their cars run correctly when they get to the track, and we maintain them to a very, very high level of service. So where it all started for me, I suppose as a teenager, Mobil Park, motorsport is my background, where I first got involved with cars. My father, complete car fanatic, and I suppose that's where I got it from, the disease as we all call it. And when I was 25, so a long time ago now, I bought my first Porsche, and that's where I started working with Porsches, doing all my own work. Then friends would have asked me to work for them, and that's how DOBSportscars came alive, was that I turned my hobby into a business, and that's why I have such a passion for it, because I love what I do. Every day I don't call it coming to work. It's, you know, working with the Porsche brand and working with my clients. They're all car fanatics, so it's a really nice business to be in, because we're providing people with a service that they need. We only use Mobil 1 products that Porsche recommend, so that our clients know that their Porsche is being maintained correctly. Basically, a customer has the peace of mind that we have put the correct fluids in their vehicle, because Porsche would have originally supplied the car with that product from the factory. On site here we have bulk Mobil 1 product that we use on a daily basis, a 40 Porsche approved Mobil 1 product, but then we also have some very specialist engine oils that we have to stock to support our clients. So C40 GT, a specific Mobil 1 product that was designed for GT engines, where Porsche said you must only use this oil. So it's critical that we have those products in stock and also available when we require them. And Burke Lubricants provides a great service when we do need those products. We also stock SHC gear oils. That are very, very important that the correct gear oil is used in a client's car. And that's some of the range that we use, but we basically use any Mobil 1 product that we need to service and repair our clients' vehicles correctly. Keeps the vehicle performing correctly and also keeps it reliable throughout its life. Burke Lubricants provides excellent customer service and support throughout any working day or even out of hours. Paul, representative there, is excellent, gives us great backup, and they stock any products that we commonly use. So if we find we're getting a little bit low, there's always that product's in stock for us, and that gives us the support that we can provide our customers with the best customer service.